Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are unboxing the Holiday Deluxe Mystery Box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And y'all, this was $108. That's with the actual product and tax. It was free shipping because it released, I believe, like on Thanksgiving Day, if not Black Friday. But I did get mine in a size medium, and we're just gonna dig right in. Alright, so the first item in this box is a huge sweater. I did get the size medium, so I don't know how well this is gonna fit me. I think this might be a little bit too big. But that is the sweater. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Premium Cosmetics Company 5-year anniversary. So this is from his anniversary line. I will probably be sleeping in it because it is not a small. It is pretty big, but nonetheless, I will make some use out of it. So there is item number one. I'm actually gonna throw it on because I'm in my work clothes and I just got off of work from my job and I had to get into this box. So BRB, I'll have the sweater on. And there she is on. I do love the color purple on me, so I definitely enjoy this sweater. The next item in this box I already have. This is the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I do already have this, so this is gonna go into my 3,000 giveaway whenever I do reach 3,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that whenever I do reach that goal. But this is mine, and this is the inside of that palette. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If I didn't have this, I would be freaking out over that palette. The next item is a Jeffree Star Peppermint straw. This is actually super freaking exciting because I do love metal straws, and I do have the orange one from the Halloween box, and this is amazing. I'm so happy that I got this. Look. Next up is the Supreme Frost in Money Honey. This is the yellow one, and I'm so happy actually that I got this because my collection of Supreme Frost are growing. I do have this one now, Money Honey. I got this one from the Halloween box. This is Caramel Kiss, and then this one I purchased with my own money. This one is Wet Dream when they launched. So Money Honey, I've heard good things about it from my friend London. And let's watch that. It's like multi-chromed. There's like orange, bronze, green, yellow. It's beautiful. So that is Money Honey. Next up is the shade Scandal. This is a velour liquid lipstick. I do have this already as well. This came in one of his other mystery boxes. I'm not sure I remember which one. I think it was the Valentine's Day one. But I do have Scandal, and this is Scandal. This is Scandal on my lips. So again, this one will be in my 3,000 giveaway along with the Thirsty palette. So we got a few nice giveaway products here. I do love that shade. This next thing is Huntington Beach. It is also a liquid lip. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one because it's this color, but if I do not end up keeping it, it will probably also show up in my 3,000 giveaway. So another thing to keep out for. And then lastly, there were less things like cosmetic wise that I thought there would be in this thing, but I'm positive that this is the Peppermint Frost palette. And I'm super excited for this one. I do want to do a separate video for this palette in itself. But this is Peppermint Frost. The packaging is unreal. Here's the inside. There's Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. And I feel like these three are very, very, very wearable, at least for like my skin color. So I'm going to swatch them out. First, I'm going to go in with Ugly Sweater. So that has like iridescent pink in it. I don't know if it catches in my camera. Then Igloo Gold is the middle shade. Oh, this one might be my favorite, even though it looked really weird in the pictures. That's stunning. You can definitely see the difference now. You couldn't tell the difference in Trend Mood's photo, but like in person, you definitely can. This one is more pink. This one is actually a true gold. And then Chocolate Ice, which is this one that looks like, I don't know, like chocolate milk with marshmallows. I'm gonna swatch that. I'm super excited for this one because it looks like it's catered towards more deep, medium skin tones. And yep, there she is, a bronzy highlight. Yeah! So I'm gonna do a separate video on these, but I do want to go in with, I want to say Chocolate Kiss on this side of my face, just to like, oh, okay. So this formula is reminiscent. It smells like peppermint. It literally smells like peppermint. But this formula is reminiscent of these highlighters, the regular Skin Frost, but it's still really pretty nonetheless. You can see that shine. I'm gonna flip my brush over and go into Igloo Gold and put that on my nose. Oh, that's a lot of highlighter, but you can definitely see that Igloo Gold is beaming. I look like Rudolph, except not red. And then I'm gonna take a different brush and go into Ugly Sweater and put that on this side. So there is Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. A lot of people were saying that they look the same, but on the face they look different. But I'm going to take all this highlighter off of my face because I actually look ridiculous. Okay, so the last item in this box is not cosmetics. It is the stickers, the infamous stickers that everybody keeps talking about. And they are cute. I just didn't expect them to be in the box. So these are the stickers. These will probably be in my 3K giveaway as well if y'all want it to be in there. So in terms of giveaway items, it'll be the stickers, the Scandal Liquid Lipstick, and the Thirsty Palette. So whenever I do reach that milestone, I do want to include these items into that giveaway. But in terms of the box, I definitely am so happy that I got the Peppermint Frost highlighter. I definitely am going to use this straw, and I don't know if it was worth the $100, because like I feel like I paid $100 for this and this because I might not keep everything else, but at the same time it's totally okay because one, the Peppermint Frost is never gonna come back, and two, I get giveaway items for you guys. So I guess it was worth it in terms of my giveaway, but not worth it in terms of personal use. So take that how you will. I am definitely feeling this sweater, but that's all I have for y'all today. I will do a dedicated video on this, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.